Bonjour my friends, I'm Frankie and welcome to Club Foodie. My mother Nicole is my best friend. We laugh, we talk, we let our frustrations out, we exchange ideas and dreams. I'm extremely lucky to have her. Also, we have so many things in common, and of course, cooking is one of them. Years ago, she gave me this easy recipe and I've been making it ever since. In today's episode, I'll show you how to make her cola chicken. This is a great comfort food. It's easy to make and a delicious change. I like to serve it with mashed potatoes and some steamed vegetables for a complete weeknight meal. So my friends, let's get cooking. Let's start by making the sauce. In a bowl, we'll combine a can of Coca-Cola, some ketchup, just a regular one, Worcestershire sauce, and cayenne pepper. Just a little bit to give some zip to it. We'll whisk until the ingredients are well blended and set aside. Now the chicken. Here we have some skinless, boneless chicken thighs, and we'll season them on one side with ground sea salt and freshly ground black pepper. Then set aside as well. Next, in an oven-proof skillet over medium heat, we'll add oil, and when it gets hot, we'll add the thighs, seasoned side down, and cook until just browned on both sides. About 4 to 5 minutes. Before we flip them, we'll season with salt and pepper. As I mentioned earlier, they don't have to be dark brown. We just want the thighs to be no longer pink like these because they'll cook longer in the oven. When they're done, we'll transfer them to a plate and set them aside. Now, we'll add the onions and saute them for 2 minutes. I like to start scraping the bottom of the skillet to dislodge any brown bits, but you can wait until we pour in the sauce. A couple minutes later, we'll add the pressed garlic and saute quickly for only 30 seconds. Next, we'll pour in our Coca-Cola sauce, and now we'll really scrape the bottom of the skillet to dislodge any brown bits. When the sauce just starts to simmer, see those little bubbles here and there? Then we'll return the thighs, including any accumulated juices. This is flavor we won't leave behind. We'll spoon the sauce over so the chicken is well coated, cover, and transfer to a 350-degree preheated oven. We'll bake for 25 to 30 minutes or until the internal temperature reaches 170 degrees Fahrenheit. Half an hour later, we'll remove them from the heat, transfer the thighs onto a plate, and cover with foil to keep them warm while we look after the sauce. We'll bring it to a simmer before pouring in the cornstarch mixture. Then we'll stir until the sauce thickens, about 45 seconds at the most. It's that quick, and that's why I love using it. We'll return the thighs back to the skillet, heat them through, and coat them with the sauce. That's it. We're ready to eat. And my friends, this is our cola chicken. This is a delicious comfort food to make for your family. It's simple and yet so tasty. Served with mashed potatoes and steamed vegetables, this is a recipe I'm sure will be on your menu rotation. I hope you give it a try soon, and be sure to visit clubfoodie.com for ingredient amounts, directions, and more info. Until next time, my friends, bon appétit!